This is a story of Christmas tree, a very small tree and a girl named Alina whose heart was bigger than any star in the sky. Today's video is a slow, warm, touching journey, a story of kindness, hope, and the magic that grows from the smallest branches. In a quiet, snowy town where rooftop glowed with lights and every house sparkled with Xmas decoration, there lived a young girl named Alina. Her family did not have much. Their home was small, their Xmas simple, but Alina carried within her a heart that loved deeply and dreamed beautifully. Every year she admired the tall Xmas trees in shop windows, trees dressed in glittering ornaments, trees reaching up like giants greeting the stars. But this year her family could not afford a tree at all. And a cold morning, when she saw other children excitedly unpacking shiny ornaments, Alina felt something inside her quietly break. One afternoon, while walking home, Alina saw something lying near the old market, a tiny thrown away Xmas tree, no taller than her waist. Its branches were uneven, the needles were dull, and it looked like no one wanted it. But Alina's heart whispered, maybe it just needs someone to believe in it. She picked up gently, brushed off the snow, and carried it home like a treasure. Her mother smiled softly. We have no romance, Alina, she said, but we have each other. Those words filled Alina with warmth. She decided she would decorate the tiny tree with her own hands. She gathered things from around the house, leftover bits of ribbons, the handmade of Twigs button from an old shirt, a small piece of colored paper, and a little silver thread her grandmother had once given her. With every touch, the little tree began to change from forgotten to loved. Alina made twig star tied with jute, tiny paper snowflakes cut with care, small ribbon bows from scraps, a garland made of buttons, and the tiniest felt heart stitched by hand. Her fingers were cold, but her heart was warm. She hung each ornament with quiet joy, whispering, "You are beautiful, you are enough." The little tree, once dull and forgotten, now glowed with a magic only love can give. On Xmas evening, Alina placed the decorated tree beside the window of their small home. Outside, the town shimmered with grand decoration. Huge trees, bright lights, glitter everywhere. But something strange happened. People walking by began to slow down. They saw Alina's tiny tree, glowing softly, filled with handmade love, shining with a warmth that no expensive decorations could match. Some smiled, some paused, some even took photos. The tree was small, but the feeling it gave was enormous. As the look reached midnight, a light glow began, snowfall began, snowflakes landed gently on the window, and the little tree seemed to sparkle even brighter. Alina's mother wrapped her arms around her once said, "You did not just decorate a tree, you decorated with Xmas with love." And Alina realized she did not need a big tree and shiny ornaments or expensive light. She had created something magical with her hands and her heart. News of the tiny tree spread in the neighborhood. People came to see it not because it was big, but because it was perfect, but because it was made with meaning. One neighbor said, "This is the most beautiful tree in town." Another whispered, "It reminds me of what Xmas truly is." The little tree brought people together in kindness, warmth, and gratitude. And so the smallest Xmas tree found abandoned in the cold became the symbol of love in the entire town, all because of Alina, a girl with gentle hands and a heart that believed in the magic of simple things. Remember, Xmas is not about how big or perfect something is, it's about love, it's about hope, it's about giving meaning to the smallest moment, just like Alina did. Soft music fades out. Hope you enjoying these ideas and designs. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. This is a story of Christmas tree, a very small tree, and a girl named Alina, whose heart was bigger than any star in the sky. Today's video is a slow, warm, touching journey, a story of kindness, hope, and the magic that grows from the smallest branches. In a quiet, snowy town where rooftop glowed with lights and every house sparkled with Xmas decoration, there lived a young girl named Alina. Her family did not have much. Their home was small, their Xmas simple,